Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on how to create a graph in MS Word. For this purpose, kindly go into the Insert tab and click the chart icon here. As you can see, all of these plots are being shown. You can create any one of them depending upon your data. In most of the cases, you have to draw a line plot or a scatter plot. So today we are going to study how to create a scatter plot. For this purpose, select XY scatter and select scatter with smooth line and markers. Single click on it and click OK. Now as you can see, this Excel window has been popped up where you have to enter the X values of your results in here in this column A and the Y values in column B. Let's suppose that our X values are 1000, 2000, 2500 and 3000 automatically. Now I will extend this line. Now I will enter the data here of Y results. Let's suppose it is 47, 60, 60 and 40. Now all of these results have been successfully added. Kindly close this window. Now you have to format this plot to make it more professional. For this purpose, kindly delete this chart title by clicking it and selecting the delete button. Then go to the Home tab and change the color of the fonts to black, and then select the format to be Times New Roman like this. Now it is Times New Roman. Change the font size to be 11 and go into this selection chart design. If it is not shown, this is because you have not selected this chart. Now I will select this chart. The chart design tab will open up. Click on it and go into the add chart element. Now simple click on it and select the axis titles. Now you will enter the axis titles here. Similarly, go again and select the vertical axis. Let's suppose our x-axis is load, which is in Newton, so you will enter the units in brackets like this. Now here the y-axis, let's say it is efficiency, and we will enter the units in percentage in brackets like this. Now what you have to do, you have to just double click on this graph like this. It will automatically open up the format plot area. Now here you will format this chart. For this purpose, go into this border tab and select a solid line and change the width of the line from 0.75 points to 1.5 points and change the color into black. Now as you can see, the black box has been created. Similarly, click on this line. It will open up the format of this data series. Now again select solid line and it would automatically convert into a black line. Now click on this area and select no border. Now we do not want to create any outside border of this chart. So click no line like this. Now the chart is becoming more tedious. Kindly bold the labels, Ctrl B and Ctrl B. In this way the chart has been created. Similarly, what you have to do, you have to just copy this chart to create another result by simple clicking on copying it and pasting it on the word. Now in order to enter the data related to it, right click and select this edit data tab. Edited you can automatically change the results here. And close it, it will automatically be adjusted. What you only need to do is you have to change the labels. That depends on your data, whether you are plotting it for experiment 1, experiment 2 or experiment 3. Let's say this time the x-axis is effort and the y-axis is efficiency again. If you want to plot another graph, just copy it, enter it and paste it here, and you can easily edit this data. Similarly, you can create hundreds of plots easily by just formatting only one plot and copy and pasting it. For any queries, comment below. Thank you.